Hello everyone, this is Priyadashni working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to dive into the exciting topic that is satellite technology. Today we are going to dwell into an exciting topic, satellite technology in IoT or in the Internet of Things. Have you ever wondered how devices in the middle of the ocean or in the deserts or even in deep forests stay connected? Yes. Well, the answer lies above us. Yes, because of space. So stick around till the end because we will explore how satellites are transforming IoT devices and we'll be seeing about real world use cases, the challenges and the future outlook. Let's begin with the basics. Understanding IoT. The Internet of Things or IoT refers to a network of physical objects which are embedded with sensors, softwares, and even connectivity that allows them to collect and exchange information with them. So, when you think of this, think of smart homes or the wearable fitness gadgets or the trackers or connected cars. That's IoT in action. So, these are all IoT. But here's the problem. Most IoT devices rely on terrestrial networks like Wi-Fi or when you take the cellular or LoRaWAN. So it is dependent on these type and guess what? These networks only cover about 20% of the Earth's network's surface. So this leaves a huge connectivity gap, especially in remote and rural areas. And with an estimated 50 billion IoT devices by 2025 are there, so we need a solution that can connect them everywhere. So here we are going to see why satellite for IoT. So this is where satellite comes in. Unlike terrestrial networks, satellites provide a wide global coverage, making them perfect for IoT devices and applications in remote or in underserved areas also. So when we speak about the advantages, here there are four key advantages are over here. The first one is global reach. So devices can connect from anywhere on the earth. The next advantage is remote monitoring. So it is perfect for agriculture, maritime, logistics and even energy sectors. The next one is resilience. So satellites provide backups communication during disaster when ground networks fail. So it provides a backup for us. The last advantage, key advantage is scalability. So as we all know, they can support millions and millions of dispersed devices effectively. In fact, this satellite IoT market is projected to reach 1.5 billion by 2030. That's a massive growth, right? So now we will see how satellite IoT works. Now, how does satellite IoT actually work? Let's simplify. So the first thing is IoT end device. So small sensors with satellite transceivers. So transceiver is nothing but both the receiver and the sender. So collect and transmit data. The next one is satellite constellation. Here the low earth object LEO satellites receives and relay the data signals. Then forwarded it to ground stations. These stations capture the satellite data and forward back it to data centers for further processing. Then it comes to the data platform. So here finally the cloud-based services analyze, visualize the information, aggregate, analyze and visualize the data for an insight or for a better decision making purpose. So most of the communication happens at low data rates here, usually in kilobytes per second. Since IoT sensors don't need high bandwidth, it is just a small periodic updates. Now we'll see the main three types of satellite networks for IoT. So the first one is LEO, that is low Earth orbit. So it has the altitude of 200 to 2000 kilometer altitude with low latency, and it is perfect for IoT. Examples include Starlink, Iridium or SWAM. These are all the examples for LEO type of orbits. The next one is MEO. So medium Earth orbit. This is from between 2000 and 35,000 kilometer. It is often used for GPS. The next one is GEO. As we all know, geosynchronous orbit. It is at an altitude of 35,786 kilometer. One satellite covers a huge area but with higher latency. Companies like Inmarsat operate here. So each of these satellite networks have its own pros and cons, but for IoT, LEO satellites dominate due to their low latency and efficiency. Thank you.